This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to use the sample function and take random samples of records and other stuff from a data frame. Here's the sample function. I'm going to sample from this numeric vector, 1 to 10. I'm going to randomly sample 5 of the elements. The first parameter is the vector I want to sample from. The second parameter is the number of elements I want to pull. All right, great. I just sampled 5 random elements from this original vector. You can sample other stuff, like character strings. Put this character string in this character vector in the first parameter, and I want to sample 2 of the 3 things. So I sampled hello and how are you, but not hi. Let me sample 5 numbers from all of the numbers between 50 and 100. Let me sample 10 numbers from all of the numbers between 1 and 100. Let me sample 5 of the numbers between 1 and 10 with replacement. If I use with replacement, that means that a number can get sampled more than once. So here, 10 has been sampled twice. Cool. I can add probabilities to my sample function call. So for example, here, I've set an 8 out of 10 probability that hi will get sampled, a 1 out of 10 probability that hello will get sampled, and a 1 out of 10 probability that how are you will get sampled. If I keep running this over and over and over, I'm probably most of the time going to get hi, but 1 out of 10 times I'm going to get hello, and 1 out of 10 times I'm going to get how are you. See that? There's a hello, but mostly it's just hi. Let's load the mtcars data frame into R. mtcars has 32 records. I can build a numeric vector from 1 to 32 by putting a 1 colon in front of the n row of mtcars. I can put that thing inside of the first parameter of the sample function, and then the second parameter, how many rows do I want to sample? Run that, and I've taken 5 random numbers between 1 and 32. Put this thing inside of the rows parameter position of mtcars and save it to X. Now I've sampled 5 random records from the mtcars data frame. If I do it again, I can sample a different 5 records from the mtcars data frame and another 5 records from the mtcars data frame. It's 2 minutes in the future. You did great. This has been a work of R.